Whether you're a beginning boater or a veteran owner, there's a Tige for every activity and attitude on the water. No matter which model you choose, you'll smile with pride as your friends and family experience the strongest build, the smoothest ride, and the most beautiful wake on the water. Have a hand in creating the Tige of your dreams by selecting from numerous design packages, colors, trim and premium audio options. With your styling and Tige's detailed obsessed craftsmen, we'll build a boat that is not only a memory maker, but the ride of a lifetime.